Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video I would like to show you this opening lid here. Okay, this video I just need to show another features here that I forgot to put here for this opening lid at the back. So since I have already created the hook, snap hook here, so another thing that I should add another snap hook here, because this opening lid need to be jointed, snap fitted to the main casing. If I look on this section view here, okay, this is our opening lid. So it's kind of like here we have snap features that it will snap fit to this casing, but here I should add another snap hook here that it will snap fitted onto this bottom casing and also top casing. So I will do the same approach like what I've done for this snap hook here. Right, for this, okay, the first thing that I should do is that let me isolate this opening lid at the back here. So this is my opening lid. Alright, I need to create similar what I have done here, the snap hook here. So for this one, the way I do this is that on the right plane, okay, I create a sketch on the right plane. Then on this sketch, I will create a center line up until here. Okay, the first thing I will create a center rectangle. Okay, the dimension is 3. And 2. Okay, about the position of this line, I want to make it, since we have kind of like here, stop it here, I make it, and this edge, I want to make it collinear, so it will stop at that edge. Alright, for this, since I want to make, because since here the snap hook, I kind of like have a flat plane here, but here we have more like a curvature surface here. So what I will do then, I will extrude, and I'm not doing from the sketch plane, so I will start from the surface. So it means start at the surface, then I will go for the thickness of 0.75. See, I want it to make it so thick, 0.75. Another thing is that I need to make this one as a separate body. I uncheck the merge result, so this will be my separate body. Alright, this okay, let me exit the isolate. Then under here the solid bodies, so I have this post extrude here. So then I will add more features to this initial modeling of my snap hook number 2. Okay, my next move is that since here I have a flat plane, I want to make an extended version of this. I need to extend a little bit more. So here on this flat plane here, I create a sketch. So I already selected this flat surface here. Then under the sketch here, I will go convert to entities. So it have a trace curve there. So now I will do extrude. On this direction, I extend it more about 5 millimeter. Okay, for this one, I need to check merge result since I want to make this as a one body. So I extrude it another 5 millimeter to this direction. Okay, the next thing to do is that since this is still rectangular block, I need to create a hook shape. It's kind of more a triangle at the surface here, kind of a triangular shape. Okay, to do that, what I will do, I will go for the right plane. I make another sketch. And now I'm selecting this face, and under the sketch here, I go convert to entities. It means it will trace the outline of from the surface. So now I can add line here, and the dimension from here to here is 3. Okay, then I will do boss extrude. Okay, I'm using selected contours to select the region, but I'm not using a display. So from here I'm using surface, so it means you will go for that starting from that selected surface, but the direction is inverse like this. And the distance is to be 0.75. 0.75. But if I click at merge result, it kind of shows like rebuild errors. So in order to overcome this problem, instead of click and merge result, I make it as a separate bodies first. So now I have separate body of this extruded version here. So then I will add it by using features, combine, and add, and I select this both, and it combine to become as one body. Okay, then my next move is that since I have to create a rectangular section here, so I need to cut it. So I will not use standard chamfer since I have this surface is more curved surface. So by doing chamfering, I think the outcome is kind of like not good. So I will do like what I've shown you in my previous video, where I have done creating the snap slot feature, the keys for the lip. So I will do the same here. So I will create a 3D sketch here to make a cutting plane. I will do lofted surface to cut this into two parts. So what I will do here, under the sketch here, I will go for 3D sketch. So I will go for line, these 3D lines. So from here to snap at this point. So this will be my first profile for me to loft. And another profile will be here from this endpoint here to this endpoint. Right? So I exit the sketch. So what I will do, I will create a surface loft. Right? Under the surface here, I have a lofted surface. Okay, the first profile, the cross section, I carefully select this line and click OK. The second one will be this line, then I click OK. So the two profile is already selected. Okay, about the guide curves. Okay, for the guide curve, since I need to select this edge, I will use right click mouse, use selection manager. I go for third option here and carefully select the edge. So I click OK, so it's listed here. And another guide curve will be here. I use selection manager again. I use the third option and carefully select this edge. So I have now, if I click OK, now I have this lofted surface. Okay, this lofted surface will be my cutting plane to cut this L shape to make it a hook shape. So here it's already selected the lofted surface. So under insert features, I will do split. So it's already selected surface loft 7 that I use cut bodies. So I only select part that I want to remove. So make sure consume cut bodies is on. Then I click OK. Now I have a nice shape of this kind like a hook shape. Okay, then what I will do, since I've already made this a hook shape here, so I will duplicate it. I will make a clone of 3. Okay, under features, I will move copy. I will select this one. So I will make a copy of, okay, since one hook shape is to be joined to the opening lid, and another 2 hook shape will be subtracted from the top casing and bottom casing to create a cutout. So it means I will make another 2 copy of it. Then I click OK. So it means, including the original, I have 3 hook shape here. All right, let me exit this isolate. Okay, here, okay, under the solid bodies here, so my opening lead at the back is this one, combine 5, and my original hook shape is split 14. I select both of them and I isolate. All right, so this is the original hook shape. So this one will be combined to this opening lead by add features, combine, and make sure I use add and select this both, and it's now one body. All right, then I exit isolate. Okay, about the here this copy of that hook shape and the hold on, and the bottom casing, I isolate it. Sorry, this is a top casing. Okay, this is a copy of that hook shape just now that I've made. Then I will subtract. So here, features, and the combine, then I use subtract. So main body is the top casing, and this one will be subtract from this top casing. So I have a cutout. Okay, this is for the top casing. I exit isolate. Then for the next one is the another copy of that hook shape is, hold on, this one, and the bottom casing, I isolate it. Okay, I do another subtract, insert features, combine, main body is this bottom casing, and bodies to subtract is this one. Okay, if I click OK, so I have a cutout. All right, let me exit this thing. Okay, if you look here, since I've already created the second snap hook for this opening lead, if I isolate this opening lead, I have this second hook here already combined with the snap hook. So this is the hook features, and if I isolate both the top and the bottom casing, I isolate it. So I have a cutout features. If you look there, I can go for section view. Okay, if you look here, we have a cutout. All right, so that's the features I want to show you. Okay, another thing, if I exit isolate, okay, sometimes it's kind like if I isolate this top casing here, sometimes the outcome is kind like not 100% clean. It looks here we kind like have a extra cutout here. Okay, hold on. Okay, to settle this thing, hold on. Okay, this is kind like I can select this face here. All right, under the surface here, if I select these parts here, we kind like have this thing because the cutout from the hook. So I select this face under the surface here. I can delete the face, but this time I will not delete this face. What I will do, instead of delete, okay, by default is delete, I will go for delete and patch. Delete and patch, it means it delete the surface and it kind like make a clean surface by delete and patch. All right, so okay, this thing is if I make a section view, just to show, hold on, if I make a section view, this is still solid, right? Okay, let me off this section view. Okay, I believe I've shown you. Okay, let me exit my solid. So that's what I need to show you in this video. Okay, inshallah, soon I will make another video to make more detailing of this bottom casing. Okay, thanks for watching this video, but before that, please click subscribe and like my video. I'll see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.